Still wasting hours building PowerPoint slides from scratch? What if you could turn any idea, document, or even a YouTube video into a professional presentation in just one click? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at MagicSlides, an AI-powered presentation maker that promises to take you from a simple idea to a finished slide deck in seconds. Trusted by over 2 million users, this tool is designed to make presentation design completely effortless. Let's dive into how it works. Getting started is incredibly simple and takes just 3 steps. First, you provide your source. You can type in a basic topic, paste text, upload a PDF or Word document, or even drop in a YouTube link. Second, the AI gets to work. Powered by Gemini AI, MagicSlides instantly structures your content, designs the layout, and builds polished slides. Finally, you can download your finished presentation and edit it directly in Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, or right inside the MagicSlides app. One of the coolest features here is the AI chat assistant. Instead of manually dragging text boxes around, you can literally chat with the AI to add new slides, edit existing ones, or clone layouts. Plus, if you work with global teams, MagicSlides supports over 136 languages, making it incredibly versatile. Now, let's talk about user feedback. While the platform boasts massive adoption with over 10 million presentations created, independent user reviews are currently limited in our database. This means you'll want to take advantage of their free trial to test out the design quality and see if the layouts match your personal style before upgrading. On the plus side, the sheer variety of input options, especially being able to convert a YouTube video or a PDF straight into a slide deck, is a massive time saver compared to traditional design tools. If you want to speed up your workflow and stop staring at blank slides, head over to magicslides.app and try it out for free. Let me know in the comments how it worked for your next project. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. See you in the next video.